I don't even know, 6th, 7th day hair. A mess, the ghetto, we're here. We're having fun. I kind of low-key like this. Like, I think this is like a low-key, like, I am into it. But, fuck it. Bitches don't be liking hair like this. People want inches, people want wind, people want Brazilian river curl shit. Like, fuck it, that's what we'll do. Fuck with my little afro puffs, it's fine. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yvanna Brooke, and I am back to do a hair tutorial for you guys. It's been a little minute since my last one because I straightened my hair and it was straight for a while, and then I tried to do my own protective style and it was such a fucking fail. Like, dude, I cannot braid for shit. But I kind of already knew that, so I wasn't that discouraged. Like, I kind of knew, but I have to do something with this hair. So we are gonna make it work. And I saw a really dope tutorial from Miss Brie Hall. Yeah, so I'm super excited to try this ponytail. So I have my hair prepped and ready in a little bubble ponytail. If you aren't too familiar with this style, I do have another video and I will link it below. So you can just start with that and then come back here. And then you should be looking like this. And then, okay. You can use any crochet hair. You can use anything that you just happen to have on hand. It doesn't have to specifically be this. But I do really like this hair. This is the Trendy Tresses hair. They sent me this hair to make a look with. And I spent a few packs trying to get my other style. And I'm not a braider. I'm not a crocheter. It's not my thing. But like little ponytails and styles like that, like, I can do that. I can do that. So this is one pack. So it already comes like pre-looped. Look how cute. And then, so what you're gonna wanna do is get a rubber band and then just kind of lay out your loops. They're already pre-sectioned, so it makes it super easy. Don't separate them while you're doing this. It's gonna waste a lot of your time. And you're really going to just, this is to take your rubber band, take your loop of hair, put it through. Take your free end of hair, so your thing's just sitting there, and pull both strands through the loop, and then boom, you have your little knot. But this hair is really soft. Like, honestly, like it's really, really soft. Like, very nice. Even when I was making an absolute mess of myself trying to braid my hair, it was still very cooperative, and I was like, oh my god, like, thank god I didn't actually use like real braiding. Alright, so I have my little ponytail, and you can actually use 2 ponytails. I ended up putting another ponytail holder worths on here after I finished filming this video. It did make it hella heavy though, so like keep that in mind. But you just wrap it around. It's really easy to wrap around. It's literally just a regular ponytail, especially if your hair isn't just like free and open. It won't tangle up, so it's really easy. And then what you're gonna want to do is just make sure the band is comfortable. Just get it adjusted. Just remember the whole time you're doing this ponytail that these can get very uncomfortable. They're notorious for being uncomfortable. So try and make it as comfortable as possible so that this style will kind of be able to be a thing on you for a minute. So just always keep that in mind. And then next, I'm taking the hair. This looks so funny. I'm taking like the middle section of the hair, and I'm just kind of finding what can go around my ponytail, because my ponytail looks like a completely different texture. My hair is crispy. It don't look like this. It don't look like this. And I don't want it swinging around looking crazy. So I'm pretty much rubber banding. I'm kind of doing what I did to my hair, but I'm putting this crochet over it. When I get closer, you'll be able to see kind of what I'm doing. I think I only ended up putting like 2 or 3 rubber bands on it. But yeah, you can see how that, like, that's my hair covered. It doesn't look like a little wave like that, like, no. And then the rest of the hair that's out is gonna go over it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little more separating now. I'm kind of like, okay, I have my ponytail covered, like, cool. Now I just want to make my hair really nice and big and just do all of the styling. Okay, and then now what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, this hair is all pretty much like floating to the bottom. I'm gonna try and like, what you're gonna wanna do is kind of like flip it over, basically, just so that your ponytail is like nice and smooth and full. Like you're low-key like stilting your hair up. Like that's how I feel like. I feel like I'm putting my hair on like stilts, but instead of doing that thing where you kind of like your hair up, you don't do that. That's gonna hurt yourself. Like you're gonna be fine for like a second, and then in like 10 minutes, you're gonna be like digging for the bobby pin, and it's gonna hurt like a bitch, and you're gonna be like, why did I even do that? I knew when I put that down there that it was a fucking mistake. Now, all right, so I have this like one random extra long piece, which is kind of throwing everything off, but now it has set itself aside to be the perfect piece to wrap around the rest of my hair. And you're just wrapping this piece around the ponytail as tight as possible. Picking the longest piece isn't going to make it the tautest. I just did this because it's gonna make the whole look better. But yeah, I would take a shorter piece would actually look just as fine. A little more zhuzhing. I'm never gonna be done zhuzhing this. I'm probably gonna wear this for like a day or 2 or 3. And then until it's literally like knotted. I'm really not too sure how this looks in the back. The cameras and mirrors work. All right, so this is the final look. Ponytail. Ponytail. It's honestly super simple, pretty easy. A bit of one here. Depending on how much hair you have, the less hair you have, the easier this style is. It's really like, oh my god, so much easier. The longer and heavier and thicker your hair is, the harder it will be, but really just add maybe another pack onto your band. I think that's probably what I'll do next time, especially if I'm going to like a party or something, like really do it big. But since I'm just going to a Zoom call, I think this is plenty enough for today for a few IG pics and just a cute quick style. I'm not a braider, I'm not good at hair, I'm just good at doing my own hair. So I do like to make that very, very clear. So if I can do it, you can do it, I promise you. If you do have any questions about the hair, the process, how to do it, what I have in my hair currently or whatever, comment below. I'll help you out. We'll get through this together. We will get a nice style. If I could come to your house and bobby pin the back for you, I would, but I can't. So in the meantime, I hope this was helpful. I hope this video found you in the best place possible. And if you liked it, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram and this ponytail. You'll see. Unless it falls out. But yes, I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.